Alright, so today we're going to be looking at two pairs. We're going to be looking at Tesla and we're going to be looking at the Euro USD. Now, we're looking at Tesla for today, Friday, November 4th, 2022. It was actually a really easy day to trade. As we can see, the market dropped from about 220 to about 200, a little above 200, about 203. If you had caught this entire move, that would have been great. And I mean that it would have been great. It only seems like it's a couple of dollars, $10, but once again, keep in mind that 100 shares is equal to one option contract. So you do the math, figure out how much you would have made. So let's just take it from the top. As we can see, the market moves this is the minute chart, and as we already know, as we're looking at the minute chart, it seems as if time moves extra slow. So the market starts off in a bullish trend, a little bit of a bullish momentum, and then turns around. I would probably enter right around here, held on to it, maybe closed out right around here as soon as I see it turning back. Goes up, goes down, doesn't necessarily break our bands. However, it does break over here. Get into a buy, close out, make sure you don't lose. While you're in the process, maybe another re-entry here and another closing out. And just holding on to that. And then getting into the final sell and the put over here. Holding on to it. As you can see, it turns around a little bit, goes up. However, just holding on to it would be a great idea. As we can see over here, it breaks through this level right around here. Might have been a good, this would have been a good area to exit the trade, or you could have held on to it the entire day, unless you held on to it at the best moment and at the lowest moment of the day, which would have been right around here. You would have been most profitable if you did. If you didn't, it's fine, but if you did, more profits to you. With that in consideration, today would have been about, I don't know, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. 5 trades today. Majority of the work would have been done before 11:30, and the rest would be watching and just watching the market and making sure it's going according to plan. Everything is going according to plan, managing risk, making sure you're closing out at the right moment. Now, let's hop over to a forex pair. Let's hop over to Euro USD. Now we're looking at Euro USD right over here. Actually, this is gold, XAU to USD. Let's hop into Euro USD. We're looking at Euro USD on the minute chart. Got our indicators lined up. And let's look at it from today. Let's say we were just to get into this one trade over here. As amazing that sounds, as this seems, today was a very, very bullish day for Euro USD. The price jumped from 0.978 to about 0.99. With standard lot size of a 1.0 lot size, that would have been about $1,800 if you held on to that trade, and that would have been just in the day on that trade alone. Let's just look at the trade for this. This would have been about another 1,000. So easy to read. So as we can see over here, right around here would be a good entry point. Retests over here and then goes all the way up. Beautiful. Easy. Alright, so that was it for this week. More videos to come in the future.